Hello students, in the last lecture we have discussed about the different steps of holozoic nutrition, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Now we'll take an example of a protozoan belongs to Protista. How these 5 steps of holozoic nutrition occurs in that. So we'll take the example of amoeba. Now, amoeba is basically a protozoan which belongs to phylum or kingdom Protista. You already have read that in 9th class. Now, amoeba is a unicellular organism. Its shape is actually not fixed, but it is having all the genetic content like its nucleus and also the cytoplasm inside it. Okay? Whenever amoeba come in contact with some food material, suppose there is a food material lying over here. Let's make it over here. This is a food material. Let's suppose this is a food material. Now, whenever there is a food material, now what does amoeba does? It, by the process of cyclosis, it pushes the cytoplasm on particular sites. And this cytoplasmic content, actually what does it do? This cytoplasmic content get protruded outside, then protrusion of this cytoplasmic content, particular site produces false feet. These false feet are called as pseudopodia. These are pseudopodia. Now pseudo means false, podia means feet. These pseudopodia surround this food material. Let's make another diagram to understand it. This pseudo means false food. In this false feeds which are being produced, the food material is being engulfed inside. This membrane outside, this membrane again get enclosed or get entangled with each other, and inside a vacuole, a food material is engulfed in the body. Right? What is the food material? These are small bacteria, a small microscopic organism lying just near the water. They engulf this material. Now, what happens then? Now, in amoeba, this structure of pseudopodia which is formed is called as a temporary mouth, or in biological term it is called as gastriole. Okay? Now this food material comes inside a vacuole. This food material comes inside a vacuole, and now you already have studied that every cell is having lysosome in it. The lysosome comes in contact with it. It gives its hydrolytic enzymes. What kind of? This is lysosome coming in contact. Lysosome coming in contact with this vacuole. Now together they are called as gastrule. Lysosome gives hydrolytic enzyme inside the vacuole. First they are acidic, and then it becomes alkaline, and by that the food material, which is a complex organic material, is broken down into the simpler food material. Right? Then it is obviously absorbed in the cytoplasm, and then it is being used by the cell for repair, growth, and also being stored as a food material. These all steps again will be discussed in the 5 steps of Holozoic nutrition. First, in this step, ingestion is occurring. So how does the ingestion occurs in amoeba? With the help of pseudopodia. False feet are produced around the food material. They surround this food material and engulf inside the body. This is also called as a temporary mouth or gastrule. Now, food material in the vacuole is present inside the cell where lysosome is present. Now, lysosome releases hydrolytic enzymes. These hydrolytic enzyme breaks the complex food into the simplest one, that is called digestion. Right? Now, that digested food, already cytoplasmic contents are present. You see, cytoplasmic contents are present, and let's call it as a nucleus. And this is the digested food which is present, directly absorbed inside the cytoplasm or mixes with the cytoplasm. So this step is called as absorption. This step is called absorption. Now, this all food material then become the part of the cytoplasm, or you can say protoplasmic content. It is called as assimilation. So direct absorption and direct assimilation occurs. And this food material, digested food material, is then utilized by the amoeba for repair, growth, and also for the production of energy. Some part is also being stored as a food store material. And then by metabolic processes, many wastages are also being produced in amoeba like us. These wastages are then taken out. How? Let us see. Egestion is another 3-mark question which can come. The wastages which are produced during the metabolic function in amoeba are stored in the contractile vacuole. Again, it is being stored in the contractile vacuole. A vacuole which is produced temporarily in the animal cell. You know that. The wastages are being stored inside the contractile vacuole. When it is fully filled, it starts moving towards the membrane of the cell. Now, as soon as it comes in contact with the membrane of amoeba, the membrane is broken and the wastages are thrown out of the body. Then again, this body membrane is again being joined together to save the internal content of the amoeba. So this way, egestion occurs. This whole of the process is called as egestion. Remember that. Once again, pseudopodia ingestion करवा रहा है by making a temporary mouth. The food is engulfed. Secondly, digestion, hydrolytic enzyme which are produced by lysosome help in breaking the complex compound into the simplest one, that is digestion. Then digested food is absorbed by the cytoplasm directly. It is called absorption. Here, when it becomes the part of the protoplasmic content and used for repair, growth, and also for production of energy, it is called as assimilation. Some part of the food is also being stored. And then, by metabolic function, what happens? Many metabolic functions, wastages are being produced, which are taken out through the body by contractile vacuole. So these are 5 steps which are occurring in the holozoic nutrition, especially we are discussing in amoeba. Other example like paramecium have a cilia-like structures. They actually have a temporary temporary mouth structure. Via the cilia vibration, the current is produced around the water where it is present. From that cilia movement, the food material is engulfed into the body. Many other protistas from anywhere in the body, they take inside the food material. And what is the food material? Bacteria and microscopic organism are the food material of these protozoan or protistans. I hope you have understood the 5 steps in amoeba. Thanks a lot. Take care.